I just typed one line and AI made a full song out of it. I'm not joking. The lyrics, music, everything done in minutes. And the crazy part, people are actually uploading these and making money from them. So I tested it myself. I have zero music skills. I know nothing about songs. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happens step by step and how you can do it too. Before we start, please give this video a like and write a nice comment, even your country name or a simple thank you. Your one comment really helps my video get some views. Now let's start. Open your browser and search for TAD AI. You'll see this logo. Click on it. Once you're on the site, create your account if you haven't already. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if you know nothing about music, you can still create songs with simple instructions. For example, I'll type, I want to generate an English 80s romantic song, and hit generate. The AI immediately starts working. First, it plans. Then it writes full lyrics for you. And just like that, within seconds, your song is ready to be created. Click Create, and the AI will turn those lyrics into a complete song. And here's the best part. It generates 2 versions for every prompt. So you always get options and can pick the best one. After a short wait, your first song is ready. And soon after, the second one too. I'll play them for you in a moment. But first, let me show you something even more powerful. If you already have your own lyrics, or want to turn custom lyrics into a song, just go to Custom Mode and select Song. Let's say you don't have lyrics. No problem. You can go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate lyrics for you. For example, I asked it for a Russian song. It didn't quite get the language right, but that's okay. We'll use it anyway. Copy the lyrics and paste them here. Now in the prompt box, you can describe how you want the song to sound. Below that, you can customize everything. Genre, vibe, instruments, mood, rhythm, tempo, whether you want pop, rock, J-pop, dance, literally anything. Once everything is set, click Create, and let the AI do its magic. After a short wait, your songs will be ready again. 2 versions, just like before. I'll play those as well, but let's keep exploring. Up here at the top, you'll find even more features. You can create AI music, which we already did, generate rap songs, make cover songs for your channel, and even use the text-to-speech feature. This is huge. You can generate realistic voiceovers for your videos. Let me play a few samples. Listen carefully.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
Killing spree. Rampage.
人生の子猫もっと
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together. Talk plainly.
I have crossed oceans of time to find you. I prayed and asked God for clarity, and He granted it to me. There is nothing else.
You were looking for a teenage narrator, and I was waiting for you. That's it. We found each other.
You've got it on Q106.7 11 Lab.
One band, one night only.
I think tonight's connection is a really easy one. Have a guess and see if you know what it is. This is a...
Did you listen to me, soldier? Was? Was? Was ist das denn hier? Das ist ja richtiges Gebrüll.
Oh, that's so clever. I've never heard a hero say that one before. All right, are we cracking codes, solving mysteries, or casually taking over the world today? Either way, I'm in.
These voices sound incredibly natural. Perfect for content creators who want professional quality narration. Alright, now let's get back to the songs. Each track is actually quite long, around 3 to 5 minutes, so I can't play them fully here or this video will get too long. Instead, I'll play a short preview so you can hear the quality. And if you want to listen to all the songs in full, I've added a Google Drive link in the description. You can check them out for free. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks for watching till the end. Now, enjoy the song.
silver sky so cold and wide. Footsteps fade where dreams once cried. A lonely lamp in the winter night burns for a love that lost its light. Oh, the wind, it whispers your name so slow through frozen rivers that no longer flow. Snow falls on silent roads tonight, covering all we left behind. Your voice still covering all we left. Falls on silent roads tonight, but still I love you. So cold and wide, footsteps fade where dreams once cried. A lonely lamp in the winter night burns for a love that lost its light. Oh, the wind, it whispers your name so slow through frozen